Okay, so hold on before you do it. So this is room service, but it's jacked up.
You can act like it. You're the Gunner family
Okay.
if you want, and you be like here. So grab that, knock on the door, and look through there and say, "Thanks a lot," and be kind of like pissed off.
For the Gunner family? Hello. How you doing? The Gunner family?
No.
No? This is supposed to be for the Gunner family. I was told to deliver this.
Nope.
There was
not
some
us.
strawberries and some wine or something.
No.
Oh, I mean, do you have your card, your CPAS card?
Yeah, it's not us.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because this was ordered to you. I mean, I have to drop it here.
No.
Okay. I don't know. Like it says here that I'm supposed to returning the favor, the Gunner family. Thanks for the dirty toilet.
The dirty toilet.
Yeah, and like some half-eaten strawberries or something like that.
Oh my God. How did you know it was us?
I met these people on the elevator like 30 seconds ago. You should have seen her face.
I was like, what?
Your face. Your face was amazing. I don't know that. I just was drinking all
Oh my God, did
day.
they tell you the story?
We literally
Yes,
met him
I heard the
Like literally
Yeah.
on the way
So
down.
now
You gotta take the strawberry.
I was like, this motherfucker